Hey guys, what's going on? We're on lesson 6. We're going to compare fraction decimals to the thousands using greater than, less than, or equal sign. So just a quick review here. Okay guys, so the review, just so we all remember the difference between greater than, less than, and equal. When you go, you always think about, you can think about the alligator eats the bigger number. You can think of Pac-Man, okay, or you can think of, you put a dot next to the smaller number, and then you can make lines, and you can add sound effects. That's just another way. So what we're going to do is compare decimals. Same idea as what we've done before in previous grades, so this shouldn't be anything out of the ordinary. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of this little place value chart that they have here. I'm going to put the 3, the 4, 2, 2, 3. Then I'm going to do the 3, the 4, 2, 3, 2. Now, always make sure you put in the right numbers, because that would be, make sure you put the right numbers in. Okay, 2, 3, okay. So we're always going to start from the left, because we're going to go with the greatest place value, and we're going to go to the right. You start here. I got a 3 here, 3 here. Winner, chicken dinner. I got a 4 here, 4 here. 2, 2. Okay, 3, 2. Obviously, this is where we find our winner. 3 is greater than 2. 3 hundredths is greater than 2 hundredths. So we're going to go, I'm going to show you the dot thing. So I put a dot next to the smaller number and go ching, ching. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, now for this, we're not going to do all of them. We're going to do a bunch of them. Now, depending on how well you are doing with this, we can do a few things. You can do the place value. I like to do a stack. I like to stack them. When I stack them, it just makes it visually better for me to see it. So I'm going to do, let's start with like just 16.3, 16.4. If you are running out of room or you don't have enough room, you can always use your math notebook to do these problems. Start over here, and we're going to go left to right. Nope. Nope. 4/10 is greater than 3/10. So Pac-Man's going to eat the bigger number. Okay. Look at C. Now this is a fraction. This is a decimal. They're the same thing. That's why I talked about decimal fractions. So we know that this is 205 thousandths. Well, this is basically the same thing. 205 thousandths. So that's going to be equal. What else are we going to do? Let's do another couple more. All right. Now E, this one, a lot of kids would get wrong because they'll say, oh, this is 9.1. This is only 2 digits. This is 4 digits. So they'll be like, oh, I got it. And they'll be like, boom. And I'll be like, no. So when we're doing this, be careful. So that's why we stack them. That's why I'm a big believer in the stacking method. So you just do 9.1, and then you do 9.099. Now to help my life, I'm going to add some digits over here. Because there's missing digits, I'm going to add zeros because that's what I can do in life. Now, let's take a look at this. Now we got 4 digits here, 4 digits here. Winner, winner. Okay, 1 over 0. Well, 1's greater than 0. 1/10. It doesn't matter that this is 99 thousandths. This is 100 thousandths. So, bing, bada, boom, right there. Let's look at H. Shall we? We shall. Actually, look at G first. 5 and 8/10. So that's 5 and 8/10. This 58 hundredths. So let's take note of here. There's no word and, so that tells me there's no whole numbers. So I'm going to put this. Now, just let me tell you, look at right 58 hundredths. So this would be 58 hundredths. Now, let's fill in some zeros. I'm going to put 0 here. I'm going to put 0 here. Now, 58 hundredths versus 5 and 8 tenths. Well, 5 and 8 tenths is greater because that's 5 wholes. Okay. Wow. Let's look at. Let's look at H. H says 36 and. Now remember, and means decimal point. So I could write this over here. I could write 36 and 9 thousandths. The fact that this is thousandths tells me there's 3 places after the decimal point. And it's a 9's in there. So that means that's got to be a 0 and the 0. Don't be careful on this one. This says 4 tenths. Now, don't overthink it. It's not 4 tenths, so don't write this. That's wrong. 4 tenths. Well, it's 40, guys. So 40 is greater than 36 and 9 thousandths. You guys getting the hang of this? All right, let's go to another page. The toughest part here is reading the directions. I'm going to be honest here. This is an increasing. This is decreasing. So when we're increasing, we're going to go small to big. Okay. Now I'm not multiplying or anything. That's how I'm going to write them. So I use the stack. I'm going to do A just so you guys can see it. 3.49, 3.059, 3.05, and 3.04. Now I'm going to add zeros here because I want them all to have the same amount. Now, do I have a winner in the left column? Nope. Zeros? Nope. I got 4, 5, 5. So I'm going smallest. So I'm going to look at this 4 and I'm going to look at this 4. Well, that's 40 and that's 49. So I know that this 3.04 is first. Then 3.049 would be next. So I can get rid of this one and I can get rid of this one. Now I got 5 and a 5. So this is 50 and this is 59. So that's going to be 3.05 and the last one 3.059. Okay. Same thing, but now on this one, I'm not going to do this one. You're going to go from big to small. And now, honestly, guys, this is stuff that you should get right. So all you got to do is stack it. Some of you will try to do it without the stacking. I'm not going to be totally impressed with that, I'll be honest. But as long as you can get it correct. But, you know, these are things you shouldn't get wrong. Okay, last one. Lance measured, I want to do a word problem just so you can see it. Lance measured 485 thousandths liters of water. Angel measured 5/10 of a liter of water. Lance, that my beaker's got more water than yours because my number has 3 decimal places and yours only has 1. Is Lance correct? Typical Lance. Okay, so let's prove Lance wrong. So this is the L. That's Lance. Lance has got 0.485. Now my Angel girl's like, no sirree, Bob. This is what it is, 0.5. And I'm going to add 2 decimal points here. Now, we got no winner here, but we definitely know that 5 is greater than 4. So is Lance correct? And now I'm going to write it, no, Lance is wrong. And then why, how? Well, we use this, but I also want to use some words. See, it says words and numbers. Lance is wrong. Angel has 5/10 and Lance only has 4/10. And you can do this. 0.5 is greater than 0.4. Now I know there's other digits involved, but it doesn't matter because this is the place that tells you. Alright guys, check out the flow chart and I hope you liked the video. Bye.